It's very common.
Yeah, only cover one.
What's that?
Only cover one piece.
The screw?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Very fast.
It's very fast. It's just they're so expensive, the Switch. I think the dealer sells them for like 650.
Really?
Yeah.
It's a business.
Yeah, I guess it's crazy. Yeah, they charge around, I think they charge around 1,200 for the whole job. Here's your old one. You can throw it away. It's garbage. I'll cut you another key for this. And then the other screw.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
Okay, you're all set.
Thanks.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.